a row that's acted up. I had troubleshot it, and I believe that I isolated it to be the seed meter itself. So I swapped seed meters. I still have a problem. And I went out there, and so then I think it's the electric clutch. Well, now I'm not having that issue. So I tapped it, but you can wiggle it around and then wiggle the one next to it. And I feel like that clutch might be starting to go bad. However, we're still rolling. The beeping you hear is after the planter's shut off. Now right here, that's what's going. See that dark blue is where it overlaps and it's turning on. Light blue is where there's no overlap, but it's planting. Those are my rows over there. Here we are, following my mark. All right, I'm getting down to like the last probably 5 acres. That's it. Or 6, it's fine. I think it's the bearing on the row clutch is starting to go bad. And so it gets a little off kilter when it's trying to rotate on the shaft. And when it does that, it catches. So then it stops. Something like that. I've got to have an explanation, right? Made it to the end of that pass. Watch this thing. If I challenge it like this, it won't trip with you watching. Oh, do you see that? Do you see 6? I'm so tired. I think I'm gonna go measure this thing and see if the spare ones that we have will fit it, and also check the seed, see, you know, am I gonna need more? So let's go. Okay, this is a air system. There's the air compressor. There's the air tank. It's all these 1/4-inch air hoses. Now see how I wiggle this one around? Pretty loose right there. I think part of that's messed up, and that's what the problem is. Come over here. This one doesn't wiggle near as much. But I've got there's an Allen screw here that I've got to undo. I have to pull that guy out. I'll turn the tractor off here. We'll walk up there. Okay, here we are. There might be enough seed. Nah, there ain't gonna be enough seed. So I'm gonna have to break at least the one bag, throw it in there. This is the guy we've got to get off. Fortunately, this lock collar is no problem at all. Okay, next deal. Gotta get that chain off. Okay, chain's off. Got plenty of hose if I need to cut it. Get some WD-40. Okay, so here's the one that came off of there. And its screws are easily accessible. This is the new one. It's gonna fit on there like so. And slide right on. So I'm gonna get those off. So even though I accidentally pulled this apart here, then I can't get it, can't get it undone here.
on the 3-way piece. What I can do is I can put this guy on there. Okay, so we got a complete air unit. We got the butted joint. Got this all back up to here. Disregard that, that's for a different harness. At this point, it's get the chain back on. So yeah, I was able to get the chain back on the sprocket there. Slip the collar on, everything's hooked up. Can't hear any extra air moving. There's the corn and the boxes. That ain't gonna be enough to finish the couple acres that we got. I got my big Coffee Mate can. Doing one at a time in here. Basically just trying to dump it in each one evenly. Hopefully that does the trick. With it being enough, that's not quite as much as I'd like to get in there. But hopefully it's enough to finish the field. I know I've got enough in between the two bags. Okay, we'll give that a try. Working so good. I'll show you. We monitor all the 12 rows. We're planting about 31,000 or so, but it's straight line. There's no dip or rise. That's good. Very good. So this time, this video is going on the spring planting 2024 new playlist. I promoted that and then lied. I didn't leave you. I wanted all that to be on the same video. But thanks for watching. Have a good night.